Good morning and welcome to your Daily Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristin Hildabrand, Warren County's Extension Agent for Horticulture. We are visiting with Kentucky State University Small Farm Assistant from the Western Regional Center, and that's Lindsay Hayvaert. Good morning, Lindsay.
Good morning, Kristin. So glad to be here.
Yes, I'm glad you're here with us, and we've had the opportunity of getting to talk with you on multiple occasions, and we're going to be talking about one of Kentucky State University's assistance programs, and that's the Small Ruminant Parasite Identification Assistance. So can you kind of walk us through what that program's about?
Yeah, so currently we have developing workshops with Dr. Jessie Lay, our veterinarian on staff, and in our West Regional Center office located at 400 East Main Avenue, Suite 202, Bowling Green, Kentucky. We now have a lab open and operational where farmers can come in, bring in a sample, and we can process that for them. They can be there in the process. We have a microscope and a monitor set up where they can look at fecal egg counts, and we can help identify what parasite is in their fecal sample. And then they can take pictures of that and then send that information to their local veterinarian so their veterinarian can help them with a treatment process if needed.
Mm-hmm. And I know that we've seen a lot of small ruminants kind of take off in the recent couple of years, and this is something that's easily provided through your all's office. Mm-hmm. Is there any cost or any kind of fee that's associated with it?
Nope, it is absolutely free.
So if somebody were watching this morning, how would they go about getting in contact with you? I know you mentioned your office there, but do they need to call and make an appointment, or is there any process like that?
Yep, you can just come in our office and say hi, or we would really like for you to call us at 270-282-0982, and then our program assistant can then send either one of our ag agents.
So as far as sending in the sample there for the small ruminant parasite, is there a specific way that y'all would like to have that to come into your office? I didn't know if it was a better way over a not so great way.
That is a great question. Sometimes our veterinarian makes a joke about we don't want the whole animal to be brought in our office.
Yes.
We just want you to bring in a small, clean sample of your animal that you've chosen fecal. If it's all your animals are in a group pasture, it's great if you bring one. If they're in different pastures and they stay in different pastures, you want to label those samples and bring in separate samples so we can identify what's happening in those pastures separately. And then after that, we will go through the process, and then again, the farmer can stay there and watch what's happening so they can make sure what's going on with their animals.
I guess, yes, absolutely. And if they have any certain type of questions, I'm sure that there's a place that they can reach you all and have those questions if they do have any.
Yep. If they have any questions for us about the lab itself, they can call us or email us at one of our contacts, or we can send them to our veterinarian, Dr. Jessie Lay. She is going to be the best contact for that. She's also developing workshops in the areas. She has 2 coming up officially, one in Christian County and one in Butler County. But other than that, we can always create more if people are in need.
Great. And I think this is a great service that you all are providing. And I know that there's a lot of parasites that come in contact with small ruminants. And like you said, this is just a great way that you all are helping the people out in the community. Do they have to be a Warren County resident, or can it be in other areas of the state too?
They do not have to be a Warren County resident. Since our office is the West Regional Center, it could be anyone in the western part of Kentucky.
Yeah.
But if you are not in the western part of Kentucky, we can help you find other resources to get your sample to be tested.
Perfect. So I know we reach a lot of other people too, and we want to make sure we cover everybody. So again, one more time, if people have questions, where's the best place to reach you all at?
You can call us at 270-282-0982.
Thank you all so much for being a part of our show. And again, if you all have any certain questions, please reach out to Lindsay. I'm sure she'd be glad to help you with any questions. And again, thank you all for watching the Farm and Home Show. We hope you have a great day, and we'll see you next time. If you're interested in attending the small ruminant hoof and parasite workshop that Lindsay was talking about, there is one that's up and coming on Thursday, April the 27th. It will be held at 6 p.m. at the Butler County Extension Office. If you're interested, make sure to call to register at 270-526-3767.